It's Jason again from My RV Inspection and MyRVResource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV service providers. Go check it out. It's a very helpful site. Today I'm coming to you again with a weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, and once again I'm on the roof of a brand new RV. Now, lap sealant is what seals your roof where there's penetrations, keeps water from getting in. And Class C motorhomes typically get a lot of water up in the front bunk area if they're not maintained properly. So today we're looking at a brand new RV that needs a little more than maintenance. It needs to be taken care of before the buyer picks it up. So I'm going to change the view around here. See, we're on the roof, this Class C, and we're just going to go up here to the front corners. And what we see is no lap sealant around that trim at all. Now, it's the same on the other side. And then let's go one step further, because these are areas where water can get in, folks, and it's brand new. You don't want that to happen. But the sidewall trim rail, look at this. They stopped right there. There's a big gap in that trim rail right there. Then if you look all the way down the side of this, look at how big that gap is. All the way down to the front. And if I can get a little better image here, we will see that is a huge gap, and it's all the way to the front. Now, it's the same thing on the other side once again. So we go back to the original side. They use sealant up to about there. Then you see once again a gap, and we can see it goes all the way to the front. Gap. And I wish this picture would come out a little clear, because I can see the sealant behind it, and it's not even feeling the gap. Folks, once again, Class C RVs, typically, if you don't maintain them properly, they get water in that front bunk area, and it just rots. And then you got a major repair on your hands. So let's quickly go down the ladder, and let's check the date of manufacture. This was manufactured in December of 2021. Right now it's July of 2022. This particular unit was taken to the January Super Show. The customer knew that when they came in to buy it. It's been sitting on the lot since, and supposedly the dealership gave them a good deal. But let's just go verify all that so that you can see it. So give me 1 second here. I'm going to get down from this ladder. And put my phone down right there. Just trying to be safe here. Alright, so walking around the side of this RV, we open the door, we come right in here, and we see 12/22/21 is the build date. And this RV is supposedly ready for the customer to pick up. That's what they always say, but we always find things. So, you know, if you're not looking for everything, you're going to miss a lot. There's so much that we inspect on these. A lot of things we find more and more and more. Some things it's, wow, I've never seen that before. But we see it. So make sure you're getting your RV inspected, or at least you're educated so that you can look for these things. It's probably better to have a certified inspector or a master certified inspector do it. We've been trained to look for all kinds of things, and you know, that's what's important. It's finding it all before you leave. So with the weekly one reason again today, we got areas where they didn't even put lap sealant on the roof of a Class C RV that is known to have issues. So I'm Jason with my RV inspection, the only master certified couple in Florida, in the country as a matter of fact. There's a couple other master certified inspectors. They're not couples, they're their own. They're also very good. I recommend, if you can find a master, to use a master. You know, we've proven that we do exactly what the NRVIA taught us. And then there's also myrvresource.com, and that's like the yellow pages for RV service providers. Find what you need throughout the United States, folks. It's real simple, and there's a lot more to come to that website. We've got some exciting things coming, and if you get on there and get signed up, you'll be in the know when it happens. So, once again, weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. My name's Jason, and you have a nice day.